In this video, I'll show you how to customize combo charts in Looker Studio so you can improve the visual clarity and presentation of your reports. Combo charts combine bars and lines, making them useful for comparing trends and totals in a single view. To begin, open your report and click on the combo chart you want to edit. This will display the Properties panel on the right side. If it's not visible, reselect the chart to bring it up. Next, switch to the Style tab, where you can adjust all visual settings without changing your data. Start by choosing clear and contrasting colors for your bar and line series, so they are easy to distinguish. You can also adjust line thickness, enable markers, and modify bar width or spacing to improve readability. Then refine elements like axis labels, grid lines, and legend placement so the chart looks clean and easy to understand. If needed, turn on data labels but keep them minimal to avoid clutter. As you make changes, you'll see updates instantly, allowing you to fine-tune the design. Subscribe for more simple and practical tech tutorials.